The question says in the alkane, this is the compound given here. Identify primary, secondary, and tertiary carbon atoms and give the number of hydrogen atoms bonded to each one of these. Means in the primary carbon how many hydrogen are attached, secondary carbon has how many hydrogen, and tertiary carbon has how many hydrogen. First of all, we can draw the structure. Okay, so we have a carbon hydrogen CH3 group is there. Here we have CH3 group. Okay, next CH2 group is there, C, and it is H, and we have H. Next you can see to this carbon two alkyl group are attached. So I mentioned this is what CH3. We have C, H, H, and H, and down also we have one alkyl group. This is what we have, another alkyl group. Next we have CH2. Here we have C, and it is H, and it is H is there. We mention these hydrogens in this form so that we can easily calculate number of hydrogen attached to the carbon atom. Okay, next we have CH. Here we have CH, but to this carbon also two alkyl group are attached. This is what we have, H, H, and this is H, and here also one alkyl group is attached. This is H, and H is there. Okay, this is the compound we have. First we identify primary, secondary, and tertiary carbon. Okay, so how we identify primary, secondary, and tertiary carbon? Keep in mind, if the carbon, let's say I consider one carbon, if the carbon is attached to only one carbon, if let's say a carbon is attached to only one carbon in a compound, it is considered as a primary carbon. If a carbon is attached to two other carbon in the compound, if a carbon is attached to two other carbon in the compound, it is considered as a secondary carbon. And similarly, if a carbon is attached to three other carbon in the compound, it is considered as a tertiary carbon. Okay, pay attention carefully. If you look at this carbon, you can see, look at this carbon. So this carbon is connected to only one carbon. Only one carbon. You cannot say कि this carbon is connected to this one, and then this carbon is connected to this one, then you can consider no, it is secondary, because you see this carbon is connected to how many other carbon directly. Direct attachment you have to consider. Okay, so this carbon is connected to only one carbon, then we can say it is a primary carbon. Okay, now look at here, this carbon is connected to, this is one carbon, and this is the second carbon. Okay, so you can see, if you look at the environment of this carbon is connected to this carbon as well as this carbon, then we can say it is a secondary carbon. Now look at here, we have a C is there, this C. Okay, so this carbon is connected to right side carbon, left side carbon, and upper carbon and lower carbon. So you can see four carbons. This carbon is connected to four carbon, then we can say it is a quaternary carbon. A carbon connected to four other carbon in the compound, considered as a quaternary carbon. Okay, now we have this carbon. So you can see this carbon is connected on the right side to one carbon. Okay, and left side also it is connected to one carbon, then we can say it is an example of secondary carbon. Okay, now focus on this carbon. You can see this carbon is connected to upper carbon, lower carbon, and left carbon. Okay, upper carbon, left carbon, and lower carbon. So 1, 2, 3, we can say it is a tertiary carbon. So you can see this is such a compound in which primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary does not carry any hydrogen. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, so you got primary, secondary, and secondary, tertiary, and quaternary also. If you look at here, you can say this carbon is there, so this carbon is connected to only one carbon, we can say it is a primary carbon. Here also this carbon connected to only one carbon, we can say it is a primary carbon. Then this carbon is also connected to only one carbon, we have primary carbon. And this carbon is also connected to only one carbon, direct attachment you have to consider, it is also primary carbon. Okay, so identification of primary, secondary, and tertiary is completed. Okay, now we calculate the number of hydrogen atoms. Okay, so you can see how many primary carbons are there. One, let me change the color so that we can identify. We have, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, and it is 4, and it is 5 are there. So you can see we have 5 primary carbon. 5 primary carbon. In 5 primary carbon, we can calculate the number of hydrogen. Keep in mind, 5 primary carbon. If primary carbon is there, it will always have 3 hydrogen. Secondary carbon is there, it will always have 2 hydrogen. Tertiary carbon is there, it will always have only 1 hydrogen, and quaternary carbon will not have any hydrogen. Okay, so you can see primary carbon, how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. Primary carbon 3 hydrogen, primary carbon 3 hydrogen, primary carbon 3 hydrogen, primary carbon 3 hydrogen. So you can see 5 primary carbon, and each primary carbon has 3 hydrogen. Simply I multiplied by 3. So 5 multiplied by 3, we got 15 hydrogen attached to the primary carbon. Very simple. Okay, now we go for the secondary carbon. How many secondary carbon are there? This is one secondary carbon we have, one, and this is the secondary carbon we have. So total number of secondary carbon, how many? 1 and 2 are there. So we can mention 2 secondary carbon are present in the compound. Okay, as I said, secondary carbon will have 2 hydrogen. You can see 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen. So you can see there are 2 secondary carbon, and each carbon carries 2 hydrogen. So we can multiply 2 by 2, then we get 4 hydrogen present, yeah, attached to the secondary carbon. Very interesting part. Then we have tertiary carbon. How many tertiary are there? You can see from start we can check, and here we have only 1 tertiary carbon. Only 1 tertiary carbon is there, and 1 tertiary carbon carries only 1 hydrogen. You can see this is the hydrogen we have. Okay, so it has only 1 hydrogen atom attached. Quaternary will not have any hydrogen. You can see, if you look at here, it does not carry any hydrogen. Okay, so very easily we can answer this question. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.